In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename your pages in your Canva website. So currently I have this website which has 4 pages. It has the home page, products page, about page, and the FAQs page. So to get started on renaming them, which is very helpful if you're trying to link buttons or navigation elements to these pages. To do this, just click on the page that you want to rename and then click on the 3 dots at the top right of that page. Click on them and then click on Add Page Title. And by the way, if you don't see this type of view which has all the pages listed at the bottom, just click on this Pages button, which says Pages. It also says Hide Page Thumbnails. So make sure this button is lit up. And to rename the pages, just click on the 3 dots and then click on Add Page Title. And then I'm gonna name this Home. And then click on Enter, or you can click Away. And then I'm going to do this for the rest of the pages. So products page, and this is the about page, and the last one is the FAQs. And that's it. That's how you can rename your pages in your Canva website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.